I know how frustrating it can be to deal with a flat tire on the road, especially when you're not equipped for it. I bought and tested these electric car jacks so you don't have to waste your money. Stick around as I dive deep into the top 5 options out there, sharing my real-life experiences and insights. Product number 1, Tri-Helper Electric Car Jack Set. When I first got the Tri-Helper Electric Car Jack Set, I was excited, yet a bit skeptical about its performance. This set includes a 5-ton hydraulic jack, an impact wrench, and a built-in tire pump. I decided to put it to the test on my SUV, which weighs around 4 tons. The moment I plugged it into the car cigarette lighter, the LED display lit up and I felt a rush of confidence. With just a press of the button, it lifted my vehicle smoothly in under 2 minutes, reaching its maximum height of 17.7 inches without any hiccups. The built-in air pump was a game changer, inflating my flat tire in no time, and the integrated LED light came in handy when I had to change a tire at night. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. One of the major pros is its powerful performance. The automatic stop feature is a lifesaver, preventing any sudden drops. The impact wrench is robust, making tire changes a breeze, and the versatility of the jack makes it suitable for various vehicles, from sedans to trucks. However, one con I encountered was the weight of the entire kit, which makes it a bit cumbersome to store in smaller vehicles. Additionally, I wish the power cord was a tad longer, as it requires careful positioning when you're working on the tires. So why should you buy the Tri-Helper Electric Car Jack Set? If you're someone who frequently drives long distances or goes on road trips, this jack is virtually essential. It's reliable, easy to use, and offers multiple functions in one unit, which is a big plus. I found it to be an invaluable tool that can save you from countless stressful situations. It's a solid investment for anyone looking for peace of mind while on the road. Product number 2, the Benyon Electric Car Jack Kit. The Benyon Electric Car Jack Kit was another product I was eager to try out. Priced slightly less than its competitors, I was curious if it would hold up. This kit packs a 5-ton hydraulic jack and an electric impact wrench, all housed in a neatly organized plastic case. When I received it, I immediately noticed how compact it was, which made it easier to store in my trunk. Plugging it in, I started the process of lifting my vehicle. The 2-minute lift time was impressive, and it effortlessly raised my SUV to the desired height. One feature I truly appreciated was the automatic air pump, which made inflating my tire a hassle-free experience. On the positive side, this jack is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The inclusion of gloves was a nice touch, ensuring that I stayed clean while working. However, I did notice that the impact wrench could be a bit noisy during operation, which might not be ideal for everyone. Additionally, it locks a built-in LED light, which I found essential during low light conditions. So, why should you consider the Benyon Electric Car Jack Kit? For anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet effective solution for roadside emergencies, this kit ticks the boxes. It's reliable, easy to use, and perfect for those who prefer a more compact option without sacrificing performance. Overall, I think it's a fantastic choice for everyday drivers. Product number 3, ROG-TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. Next up is the ROG-TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. I was drawn to this product due to its robust features, which include a powerful impact wrench and built-in tire inflator. With a load capacity of 5 tons, I felt confident putting it through its paces. Upon trying it out, I was delighted to see how quickly it lifted my truck. 60 seconds was all it took. The real-time pressure gauge on the inflator was a brilliant addition, ensuring I didn't overinflate my tires. The compact toolbox that comes with it kept everything organized, making for a smooth experience. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The self-locking design is a standout safety feature, preventing any slippage while lifting. The versatility of the kit is also a strong point, as it includes sockets compatible with most vehicles. However, I did find that the instruction manual could have been clearer, particularly for first-time users.
Also, while the impact wrench is effective, the limited socket sizes may not fit every vehicle type. Why should you buy the ROG TZ kit? If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution for tire changes and repairs, this jack is worth considering. It's perfect for both seasoned mechanics and everyday drivers alike, providing a seamless experience when you need it most. Plus, the combination of lifting power and tire inflating features makes it a fantastic value. Product number 4. ROG TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack. Jack only. The ROG TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack caught my eye because it's a more budget-friendly option that still delivers on performance. This jack, designed for sports utility vehicles, is powerful enough to handle a load of up to 5 tons, which is impressive for its price. Setting it up was straightforward. Once plugged in, it lifted my vehicle quickly. The self-locking feature was reassuring, especially since I was working on uneven ground. The built-in air pump was an added benefit, inflating my tires efficiently. One of the pros of this jack is its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. The built-in LED light is also excellent for nighttime use, ensuring safety while working in dim conditions. However, I did find the lack of a comprehensive toolkit, like included sockets, to be a drawback. You need to have your tools ready. Additionally, the power cord could be longer to reach all areas comfortably. So why should you opt for the ROG TZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack? If you're on a budget and need a reliable jack for occasional use, this product is a great choice. It checks all the essential boxes and provides reliable performance without breaking the bank. If you're someone who values efficiency and portability in a jack, you'll definitely appreciate this one. Product number 5. TYAT Electric Car Jack Kit. Lastly, I tried out the TYAT Electric Car Jack Kit, which really caught my attention with its 5-in-1 capabilities. This jack not only lifts vehicles, but also includes an impact wrench, air pump, and LED light, making it a comprehensive solution for tire-related issues. The moment I unpacked it, I was impressed with the build quality. It feels solid and well-constructed. When I put it to the test, I appreciated how quickly it lifted my car, and the automatic stop feature added a layer of safety that I always look for in tools like this. Pros of this kit include its stability and safety features, which are top-notch. The heavy-duty steel pressure rod ensured that I felt secure while lifting. However, I found that the power supply options could be confusing. While it works off a cigarette lighter, you need to ensure the car is running, which may not be intuitive for everyone. Another minor downside is that the LED light, while bright, doesn't have adjustable settings. Why should you consider the TYAT Electric Car Jack Kit? If you want an all-in-one solution that covers multiple needs while being reliable and safe, this jack is definitely worth the investment. It's perfect for anyone who frequently travels or needs a dependable tool for their garage. Overall, it's a versatile option that I believe will serve you well in various scenarios. After diving deep into the top 5 electric car jacks, I hope you found this guide helpful. Each product has its unique strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize performance, safety, or versatility, there's a jack here that's perfect for you. Don't wait for an emergency. Consider investing in one of these jacks today.